What's up guys, DCFBF here, and today I will show you how to change the leads on these button cell batteries. You see these leads right here. This is especially useful for computers like this ThinkPad 600E that I showed you last episode. Now you might wonder, why are you posting at midnight? What are you doing? You posted at midnight last time and it didn't get any views. Well, that's when I get all my ideas, you see. Well, so as you can see, the one the dead one that I got from the ThinkPad, as you can see, has the red wire on the right side, while the one that I bought off Amazon, you want the like the Molex one, I think. And this is just a 2032 CR2032. Originally it's a 2026, I think. Yeah, 2025. Yeah, originally it's a CR2025. You can use a CR2026. That's what I'm using. And as you can see, the store-bought one has the black one on the right side, while the red one's on the left side. You see the ThinkPad one has it flipped. So what you want to do first is, a lot of these come like tangled up like this. You just want to sort of twist it so it's not tangled up. It's really hard to do it with one hand, and also looking through an through an iPhone screen. Yeah. You want to twist it, all right? I'll cut it, and then I'll cut the video here, and then you want to untwist it, all right? So in the end, the wire should look something like this. As you can see, it's untangled. And what you want to do is you want to pry up on these little tabs with something thin, very thin and sharp, like this flathead screwdriver. It's got to be a really thin thing. Anything really works, but it just has to be really thin, and really just gotta sort of get at it. Working from the side, I found works very well, as I will demonstrate if I can see. If I can see, that is, because I really can't see right now, and I'm stabbing myself instead. How do people do this? Oh, okay, yeah. Oy. I just can't see. Sorry, I can't. I'm just trying to keep it in camera too. Like, what is this? How do people do this? Oy. Sorry. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries. You know, very realistic tutorial, you know. Ow! Very realistic tutorial. But eventually you can get it sort of in there. You can pop it up. Just bend it up like that. Just bend it up like that. And you want to do it to both sides. I really can't. I really just can't. I just got to do it off camera. After all that, you should end up with something like this. As you can see, both clips are lifted up, and what you just want to do is you just want to sort of pull out the wires. Yes, these wires just come straight out. Just afterwards, it just comes straight out, just like that. Easy. And what you want to do is you just want to put it in to the other hole. Put each one into the other hole. As you can see, now there's little holes that you gotta sort of insert it into. Oy. Why is not being able to see anything? Biting me in the ass again. As you can see, you just want to match this pin out, that pin orientation. If I can see, everything will be so much easier. And you just want to insert it all the way in, all the way in. Make sure that there's no silver part still sticking out, because that means that it's not all the way in. Oh yeah, and on some of these really longer ones, this can sometimes happen. As you can see, it's just pushing up. What you can do is just sort of pull it out a bit, angle it down, and then push it in. And that didn't work, so let's try again. Just angle it down and then push it in. As you can see, that worked that time, and there's no silver part left on the outside. And you can just do the same with the red wire. Sorry, nothing's in focus. I'm using a pretty poor camera from an iPhone. And you can just sort of insert it in. And make sure that there's nothing sticking out. And you can just use something, and in order to lock it in place, you just use something like something to clamp. Oh, you just want to use something. And in order to put it back into place, you want to make sure that all these wires are in fully before you fully just commit. And afterwards, you just sort of clamp down on these what's it called, things with something like this key switch puller. Anything really works, like a bit of a, don't use pliers, don't use anything really sharp, something really blunt, something that you can clamp down on, so that just really lock these wires in place. And in the end, you should just have a connector. Oh, let me get that red one in more securely. Just have this connector that is supposed to be not coming out. Just want to sort of clamp down on it, and then, as you can see, it's not supposed to wiggle out. You can just plug it into the ThinkPad or any laptop or anything that you want to use it for. It really works for anything. And as you can see, now the pinouts are the same. Don't worry, the connector is a bit weird now, but because you messed with it. But you know, if you do a better job than me, great. You can just, let me just lock it back in. Let me just lock it in a bit more. Oh, yo. Anyways, so this will just work. You can plug it in. You just plug it in like that. On a 600E, some people think that you must have the 2025. It's really rare. 2025s are really rare with these leads. You need, people think you have to like solder and stuff. No. You can just do this, and you can get the right leads, the right wire stuff. Just buy one off Amazon or something like that. Make sure to get the same size connector. I think it's called like the Molex one, and it's like gonna be long, it's gonna be skinny, and it's just what the identifying thing is, like there's like three little notches that come out, and that's what you can really know that it's the right connector for the 600E. Thank you for watching. I already did this once. so that's why my clock battery works. I didn't do any soldering, you know. I still have the original battery right here, you see. Still have the original battery. This is just the original battery. Still got the IBM, you know, stuff. Yeah, so you can just do that and you're good. All right, bye.